My name is Martin Merrick, building specialist with Irish Farmers Journal, and we're here today on Listbay Dairies, a newly established dairy farm here in the heart of County Galway and Aircourt, owned by the Bourns family, a former dry stock and sheep farm. Despite good beef housing facilities, the Bourns family opted to build on a greenfield site, with two 450 cow cubicle sheds and an 80 unit rotary parlour built in 2022, with milking commencing in spring of 2023 with 800 crossbred heifers, with the herd now standing at 920 crossbred cows. Inside each shed there are 3 head-to-head rows of EasyFix cubicles fitted with mattresses for optimum cow comfort. Cubicles are built at 1.04 metre centres, with the herd being a smaller frame crossbred cow. Crossover points are 4 metres between rows of cubicles, with a tip-over water trough on each crossover point. A hexagonal print roller was used to provide grip on all concrete surfaces which cows walk on, with slurry tanks running in the centre and along the bottom of the shed, scraped in with rope scrapers. The sheds can be easily split throughout with the many guillotine gates along the rows and the bifold gates at each of the crossover points. Feeding is along 3 sides of the shed, with no feeding on the gable exposed to prevailing wind. Cement fibre sheeting, PVC coated purlins, reinforced skylights and high beam LED lights are used in the roof, with a cover to be installed on the open ridge.